today, I'm not going to give you a 21-day challenge, not a 90-day plan, and not another motivational speech that you'll feel good about and then forget. Today, I'm giving you something different, a 24-hour reset system that can reset your mind, your energy, and the direction of your life. But there's one condition. This is not for people who just want to listen. This is for people who are ready to be honest with themselves, even for just one day. Because the truth is, your life isn't stuck because you're weak. Your life is stuck because you've been lying to yourself. So, let's fix that today. Step 1. Choose one day. Just one day. On that day, put your phone aside. Stop scrolling. No TV shows. Just you and your mind. And understand this up front. That day will feel uncomfortable. You'll want to pick up your phone again and again. Just 1 minute, just one message. But that moment is the most important one. Because when the noise stops, everything you've been avoiding comes out. The same thoughts, the same feelings that you normally run from every single day. Step 2, the mirror ritual. Stand in front of the mirror. No music, no affirmations, no distractions. Just look at yourself and ask one question. What am I trying to become? You don't have to say the answer out loud. Just feel it. It might feel awkward, even heavy, but that feeling is truth rising to the surface. Because until you're honest with yourself, no system, no motivation, nothing will work. Step 3, grab a notebook. Write down one thing you know you are avoiding. Just one. I'm avoiding maybe your diet plan, maybe your study routine, maybe a decision you've been delaying. Pause and admit it to yourself. Because writing it doesn't solve it, but it makes it real. And once it's real, you stop running from it. And that's where change begins. Step 4, set a timer for 60 minutes. This hour is for you. First 20 minutes, your body. Move, walk, stretch, push-ups, stairs. It doesn't have to be perfect, just move. Next 20 minutes, your mind. Write everything that's inside you. Overthinking, fear, anger, confusion, everything. Let it out. And for the last 20 minutes, stillness. Just sit. No phone, no distraction, no pressure. Because in that silence, you'll realize something important. You're not too busy, you're disconnected. And that's where clarity begins to appear. Step 5. At 9 p.m., stand in front of the mirror one last time. No questions, no motivation. Just say this: I didn't run away today. It wasn't perfect, but it was real. And that matters because most people never live even one real day in their life. One day won't fix everything, but one real day can reconnect you with yourself. And when that happens, direction becomes clear, naturally. So, if this message hit you, don't scroll away. Choose your day. Start there and take control again. See you next time. Thank you.